Hello from Nashville, Tennessee. I am at the Two Rivers Campground here on Music Valley Drive, and I'm needing to replace some parts, plastic parts, on the camper here. And I thought, well, I'm close by camper part suppliers, and I'm going to go shopping. And I will find it's the roof vent in the front of bedroom of the trailer is broken, and I'll show you that. And then the slide on your screen door, you have the slide that covers the hole, but then it's a little plastic piece that they call a door handle, and I'm going to try to replace both of those, get those done today. I'm trying to think. This is a 2006 bumper pull, 32 foot. I found one of the slide covers, but you may see that the handle is breaking apart, and we're going to try to replace that plastic piece. We'll see if we have success finding that today. And also, this cover is breaking apart. Of course, this camper is like a 2006 model, and this year is 2019, so it is an older camper. I'm going to see if we can find this replacement part here. And don't forget, don't be a crab. You're on vacation. Okay, here is the new parts. It's a clear door handle for the screen door, and in that I forget what they call it, the roof vent, escutcheon, whatever. I'm actually at the Two Rivers Campground here in Nashville, Tennessee, and next to me is Coleman and Maxie. Bought both of these pieces. It's $21. So let me go ahead and get these installed, make this camper looking good one more time. Okay, a new screen door handle is installed. So that it's clear in color, but it is replaceable. So if you have that kind of a screen door, you can find a handle. This slide cover here, the other one was basically tore up and broken because it kept falling out of the track. What I have done was part of a coat hanger. I straightened it out, cut it to length, and dropped it down in this track, and that's what this door slides on now, and it's a lot tighter fit than when we first got the camper. But now we've got the new slide. You can get that in a clear and a black as well. I was lucky to find that, and all they had was clear, and I'm good with that. But also the roof vent in the front bedroom has been replaced. Let me turn a light on in this thing. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it better. But I'm happy to have that fixed. But those two fixes, that's $21 in parts, and just a couple minutes to fix it. And once again, don't be a crab. You're on vacation. Y'all have a blessed day.